Welcome, wanderers, to Universal Studios Singapore, where imagination meets the adventure. Today, we are embarking on an unforgettable journey through this iconic theme park, brimming with thrills, entertainment, and cinematic magic. So, join me as we explore every corner from the bustling streets of Hollywood to the whimsical realms of fantasy and beyond. To my left, we have the iconic Universal Studios store, a treasure trove of merchandise featuring our beloved characters from our favorite films. Next stands the Starbucks. Whether you are in need of a morning pick me up or a refreshing beverage to recharge between the adventures, Starbucks has you covered. As we continue down the road, excitement builds with every step closer to the entrance of the studio. Now let me tell you about the ticketing and the passes. So this studio offers variety of ticket options, allowing the guests to tailor their experience to suit their preferences, from single day passes granting access to all the attractions to VIP experiences offering skip the line privileges. Now I will let you have a look at this wonderful, breathtaking roller coaster. Then next is Wharf Arcade Lane, so you can just take a walk. Now you can see there is this polar bear house, and next to which we have this shops where we can buy souvenirs and toys for our kids and for yourselves as well. Now you prepare for a journey to the future as we enter Sci-Fi City. Here, cutting edge technology and futuristic landscapes await. Feel the adrenaline rush as you brave thrilling rides. In Sci Fi City, we have the most thrilling ride, which is Transformer. That was the one which I loved the most. It was so thrilling, so good, so surprising. I just loved it. Well, this is how they perform their road show. So our favorite character comes and they perform for us on a music. So this is the space chase ride, which I did, which is good. You can do it, but not as thrilling as the Transformer one. From the future to the distant past. Our next stop is ancient Egypt. Step into the kingdom of pharaohs and pyramids, where adventure awaits around every corner. Here, you don't forget to experience this Revenge of Mummy, which is a pulse pounding ride. Well, now it's the time to venture into the jungles of the Lost World. Here we have rides on the Jurassic Park Rapids Adventures.
I hear it talking shit from the drama. Keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. Mr. Whip, 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 get the guns out. Dropping bodies in the place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with this, I'm going to try. Just when the bullets fly I'm the last one to die.
Now, me and this everybody was walking towards a place where the actual action performance will be shown in the water. It was quite fun, guys. You cannot miss this. Now, can you see this beautiful castle? You'll see such thrilling rides like everywhere. People screaming, so happy and so excited. So, few things before you go to Universal Studio you should know. The first thing is that you have to walk a lot, like around 10 to 20,000 steps, as much as you can walk. So, I would suggest wear shoes so that would be comfortable. Next thing would be you can bring your own water bottles or food, or you can have the food here in the restaurants. So, as an Indian, I always search for Indian restaurants wherever I'm going. So, here I found one. So, this is the way to go towards the restaurant. Now, that was it all for Universal Studio. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.